Hi, my name is Val, and I'm here to tell you my story because I think it's important to stand behind someone's dedication that has changed my life. I met Veronica a few months ago due to something totally not related to what she was doing. The last time I visited her home, I was walking away and I noticed the advertisement board by her house. I had never noticed it before, but that day it sure was visible. I walked away thinking to myself, another gimmick, one of many that I had attended in about a 15-year span. But this time, something was telling me to go back, so I did. That day was the beginning and the end of a long battle that I had with my weight, and I will forever be grateful. In the last 3 months with Veronica, not only have I lost 22 pounds and continue to be shedding the pounds, but I have been educated to make the right choices in life, not just food, but in every aspect of my life. Stress, lack of sleep, drinking water, etc. All these things play a big role on not being able to lose weight. I cannot begin to tell you how much I have put in my body as far as diet pills, other weight loss clinic, acupuncture. I think I've done it all, but none gave me the success, just added more weight gain and a whole pile of money down the drain. Veronica was different. She cared, not just in my success to lose weight, but in me and my health. She has been my rock with my husband to ensure I continue this road to success that I'm in now. None of these places gave me the education, knowledge, and tools to walk away feeling confident about myself. I now understand that it's my responsibility to make myself healthier, to make sure I will be here for my family for a long time. The hardest thing was to think about me first and to understand that to continue to lose weight in a healthy way might be a slow process, but I have learned to be patient because Veronica gives me that assurance and she believes in me. So now I look at myself in a different mirror, the one I can see myself for who I am, the better me, the more energetic me, the positive me. I've learned to think about myself first, something I have not done for a very long time. If I had to leave you with something from my journey with Veronica, is that she believes in me, and I believe in her. If this story sounds like your story, I highly recommend that you call Veronica, because she did change my life.